Blitz Squad? This your girl Glamorous Tay, and we are back with another banger. That's right, the Glamorous family is back with another banger. In today's video, as you guys can see, I am going to be giving the kids a little surprise today. That's right, I'm going to be taking them on a roll. Their reaction, it's about to go down, guys. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure you guys stay tuned for this video, and make sure, always make guys subscribe to our channel, of course, because we're always lit, as I said again. And make sure you guys like this, give this video a smash. Matter of fact, smash the likes. That's it. That's all. Like, share this video to all your family, friends, sister, brother, uncle, cousin, daddy, and whoever. I'm looking a mess right now, but we are on the go. About to go pick up the kids, the other kids from school, actually, you know, yes. But we're also about to come back home, and we're about to do a few things here before we go to the new place. So make sure you guys stay tuned once again, and yeah, we shall be on the road. Trey has been a little sick lately, so you know, give him a well wishes, and also Zari, give them God, give these and take you guys, and I have a surprise for you guys. Ooh. Surprise! We love surprises. Well today? I'm gonna find out right now. Yeah, you feeling well today? Okay, so let's get this thing on the road, y'all. So we're about to go pick up Liam, and we're gonna come back. We're gonna come back and finish getting things done here, and then we are out. My kids said they can't wait to get a surprise. Yeah. Right?
Yeah. I changed my name to Gregory Jr. That's a good name.
You changed your name to Gregory Jr. That's cool. Now sit down, put your seatbelt on. Thank you. So yeah, so we're about to
Gregory Jr.
She wanna know what kind of surprise. Girl, mind your business.
Just call me Junior instead.
We're gonna call him Junior from now on. We're gonna call him Junior. Gas is going down tremendously. I am super duper excited for that, because I'm sick of it. I'm sick of the gas prices. Sick of the gas prices. If you guys agree with me, just post in the comments. Gas prices are high. Gas prices are high. Yes, yes, yes. Super duper excited. Alright, y'all, so we have reached, and yeah, right now we're just waiting. We're just waiting for them. That's on period. We all the way in the back of the line because we decided that we want to come a little late. A little late. Yeah, so let's go. Alright, y'all, so we made it home. And I did, in fact, just didn't want to record that part. So I got the kids. We came home. We're getting ready. So now we're about to be heading back out to go and do this new house tour. I've been working on everything inside. So the interior designer already, we already got everything inside already. So that's why we haven't been on YouTube and all of that, because I've been working and stuff, getting stuff done. So yeah, you guys are about to see once we get on the road. And yeah, we got a lot of stuff coming up this year. I'm super excited. We are working on a new intro. We are also working on some more photo shoots. So we have a very, very busy remaining of the year, and next year is going to be even bigger. So I just want you guys to stay tuned. If you're here right now, I thank you so much. If you are new, make sure you guys subscribe, and make sure you guys don't miss out on anything by turning on that bell, so that you will be notified whenever we are posting our next banger. As always, see you guys in a bit. Period. So yeah, we are out right now, and yeah, that's what we on. So y'all, we'll see y'all in a few. Period. Seatbelt, ma'am. What? Seatbelt, safety first. I'm talking now we are in traffic, like a lot of traffic, like traffic. And I kind of knew that we were gonna go into traffic around this time, but I still came around this time. Why, I don't know. But anyways, we are still a good amount of distance from our location. So once we get there, then I'll come back. And yeah, so see you guys on the way. About 15 minutes away, period. This was a long drive, y'all. We're about 15 minutes away. We almost there. Actually, it's about 14 minutes. Period. I got a lot of sick kids in this car. I should have been wearing the mask instead of him. For real. What y'all think about that? Oh, I got this big old bump in my face. But yeah, so we're about 14 minutes away. And woo! This drive was a little bit too much. It's almost about to be dark. Well, we did kind of leave kind of late anyways, but it was a little traffic too. So yeah, so like I said, see you guys once we get there. Y'all, so we is almost here, guys.
Are we at a party?
We are almost here, guys. We're almost here, guys. This is so exciting. Oh, we're here, guys. We're here. We're here. Surprise for you guys. This is our house, guys. Nope. This is our house, guys. Y'all can't be too loud, the neighbors. This is our house, guys. Come on. Come on, guys. Let's go upstairs first. Come on. Let's go upstairs first, guys. Let's go see. Let's go see our room. Yeah, dude, go use it. All right, guys. So this is my room. And this is my bathroom. What are you doing? Can you believe it or what? So this is my room, my bathroom. This would be my closet. Oh my gosh, y'all. What happened? Oh Lord, come on, guys. Alright, so there's more rooms right here. Alright, there's more rooms here. Yeah, so here's a room for one of you guys. And then it's another room right here, guys.
No.
So you guys get to pick your own rooms. I think this should be Zion's room. All right, come on, guys. Let's go see the other rooms.
I want this one right here. Mommy, can we Zion sleep in our room?
I mean, it don't matter. Let's go see the pool, y'all.
Let's go see the pool.
So y'all, I still have to get some interior decorating on it. But I don't know yet. I'm just gonna figure it out. So let's. Oh shoot.
Hot tub. Oh, let's go, baby.
They gonna have to clean this pool, y'all. See this? See the view? We have a balcony. Let's go, baby. We gotta go downstairs and go to the pool. I'm gonna show y'all the pool.
These things.
Yeah, we gotta go down here. It's more rooms on this side, y'all. This is actually a second living room. Well, this is the other bathroom. This is the living room bathroom. The second living room bathroom.
This is the sickest room I've ever seen.
So over here we have the kitchen.
Kitchen. Mommy, what's this room?
We have the kitchen over here and the dryer over here. Turn the light on.
No. This house is so cool. Guys, no. Mommy, you turn the pool light.
Yeah, come on. The pool is back this way. Come on.
No. It got more downstairs. Mommy got tiny room.
So this is the kitchen, guys.
Tiny room.
It came with a lot of appliances, of course. Then let's go to the pool, y'all.
Yes. I'm going swimming.
All right, let's go to the pool. I'm gonna go down.
Trey, stop being a big kid.
Be careful, y'all, because it should be.
Sorry. Go.
Sorry, get up. So yeah, of course we have another part, and then there's more rooms over here. So here's another room.
Oh, this is my room?
Nope, there's another room right here. No, my room is upstairs. And then there's another room right here. So
let Zari see what you. Wait, no.
bathroom. So actually this is another part, but it goes to both of the rooms.
Mama, I want to see with you.
Why you want to sleep with me?
Because.
And then we literally have 3 living rooms. We're gonna go down.
There's a whole train right there.
Yes, and then we have the hot tub. Move back, y'all. Move back. And then we have the pool. It's gonna have to get clean, but it's okay.
Oh, can you feel it?
So yeah, this is what we're dealing with. Gregory, stop. Get up. So this is what we're dealing with. Oh my God, this is so cool. I'm glad you guys like it.
They got the little rooster thing on.